TOPFLIP Jr., your best choice for trifold cover. Versatile and reliable, only trifold cover that can be upgraded to TOPFLIP Ultimate.
ZIVENT, the best transparent windshield defender. With unique and innovative technology, it protects the windshield from stone chips, block harmful UV rays, and has optical clarity. More focus, more safety on the road. Doesn't dazzle incoming traffic. IP68 durable and weatherproof. German technology. Researched and developed in Japan. MXR horn ongoing installation. Louder. Clearer. Stronger. Longer lifespan. Premium high-quality tone. 100% pure copper coil. 3 years warranty. Waterproof. Frequency, 400 Hz plus 500 Hz dual tone. Power level, 118 dB. Glass wiper bead is a windshield washer specially formulated to remove bugs, grime, tree sap, and other hard-to-remove substances. So hot inside of the car? Having problem driving at night and rainy days? Check it out. Why more and more client get BF film ceramic tint. Blocks up to 99% of heat and 100% UV light. Excellent clarity versus other brands.